y'all. Haven't made a video in a while, so I figured I better at least pop in and say hi. So anyway, I've had a house full. My kids have been here, my grandkids have been here, and it's been really hectic, and you'll probably hear the babies in the background. But don't have a whole lot going on. I thought maybe I'd take you out and show you all my hummingbirds, because I have a whole lot of them, and I love the hummingbirds. So hang on and we'll go outside. Okay, we are out here, and it is humid. It's been raining, and yeah, if you live in Oklahoma, you know about the humidity. If you don't, well, you ain't missing nothing, because it is hot. Anyway, let's walk over here and see if we can check out the hummingbirds. Okay, as you can see them over there. I'll walk up a little closer and then I'll try to zoom in. There's 3 or 4 of them over there. There was about 15 earlier. Let's see. There we go. Hopefully y'all can see. Come on, camera, focus a little better. You can kind of see them zooming around over there. Let's get a little closer here. Okay, of course, now that I come out, they're all going to leave. But I promised there was a whole bunch of them. There's one. That's a far cry from about 15 of them, but there's one over there. Oh well. Anyway, as you can see, we got the chickens running around, and the dogs are out here. And we got our little Snow over there. She was the baby, and she's the one I had to build the pen for. But she's doing good. She's our little pet, because all the other chickens are still mean to her. Copper doesn't like the chicken sitting too close to his food. He's like, that's my territory. Anyway, there is Snow. As you can see, she's doing really well. So, then the rest of the chickens. And that's not why I brought you out here, really. I really did want to intend on showing you the hummingbirds, but they have a mind of their own, I guess, and they have decided that because I'm out here and wanted to show them off, that they're going to run away. That's just the way it goes, though. But, oh, an update on the puppies. They are growing, and they are so cute. I'll put a little clip on the end of this video and show you all the little Yorkie puppies and how much they've grown and whatnot. Zoom back in on them. And that's as far as it's gonna let me zoom. But you can see a few of them over there. I just love them. In the mornings especially, I like to come out here and sit on my porch and drink my coffee and smoke my cigarette and just watch the birds. To me, it's just relaxing and peaceful. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to edit that. I forgot I zoomed in, so all you could see was like a eyeball. But anyway, I just wanted to let y'all know that my house has been full and my back has been giving me problems, so I've been a little under the weather, but I'm still here and I'm still making my videos, just not as often. Hopefully things will get back to normal and I'll be able to put more out, and hopefully, if all goes well, I'll be taking a trip to Alaska, so I'll be able to take you along with me and show you that trip. And anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little clip of the puppies on the end of this video so y'all can see how they've grown. They're so cute. And anyway, thanks for watching, and I will catch y'all next time. God bless. See you later.